Hello my dear students, very good morning and assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Jai Rahman, teacher of Milestone School and College, Sector 14, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear students, today I am going to discuss the revision class, whose lecture is 51. Today's topic is algebraic fraction, which chapter is 6. Dear students, what is fraction? Actually, fraction is a part, right? Fraction is a broken part of something whole. So this fraction, today we will discuss the algebraic fraction. So actually from the different problem of arithmetic fraction, we can easily solve by the algebraic fraction. Students, so first actually in algebraic fraction, which one is called equivalent fraction? So students, when we multiply or divide by any number, by any number, but that one will be same but non-zero quantity, then it will be no change. Okay, that one is called equivalent fraction. Okay. Dear students, reduction of a fraction. Reduction of a fraction is a fraction means to transfer to its lowest term. Students, both numerator and denominator, when is supposed are to be divided, okay, of common divisor, that means common divisor, if I divide it, that means then you will get a reduction. Then when there is no common denominator or numerator, okay, that one is called reduction of fraction. So students, today we have to find also the equal common denominator. So how to find this equal common denominator? So first we have to find the LCM of this fraction, students. Okay, after finding the LCM of this fraction, then we have to find the that means after finding the LCM of this all fraction, then we have to divide by the denominator of this fraction. Okay, after getting the quotient, so by this quotient, then you have to multiply the numerator, then you will get the equal common denominator. Okay students, now let's get started today's lesson. So today's revision class is 51 and today's chapter is 6 and algebraic fraction topic. So first today's topic, that means first today we will solve the extra CQ 5 and 6, and today we will solve also the 10 MCQ. Okay students, now first we have to solve extra CQ 5. Okay students, so here given you can see this one. So three fraction of numerator and denominator are respectively 3, 5, 7, which one a square minus b square, a into a minus b and a into a plus b respectively. That means first we have to find a number quotient, write the formation of three fractions. So here given, that means respectively 3, 5, 7 and a square minus b square. So now we have to form the formation of these three fractions. So how to write this one? Now let's solve this problem. So students, now we will write here solution of extra CQ 5. Extra CQ 5, so we will solve a number solution. So students, here given a number is, that means 3, we have to that means we have to form the formation of three fractions. So that one will be 3 by a square minus b square. So that means first one is 3, then in another round which one is given a square minus b square. So and then second one is will be 5 by a into a minus b. Then third fraction will be 7 by a into a plus b. Okay, so this one is the answer of a number. That means that you have to just form the three fraction. Okay, so from this system. Okay, so now b number, just here given, determine the sum of this fraction. So now we have to find the solution only. So this fraction, these three fractions, just we have to add, students. So now solution of b number. So now just we have to write this one again. So a square minus b square plus 5 by a into a minus b plus 7 by a into a plus b. Students, now what will you do if you want to find the, if you simplify this one, already you have solved some maths. Okay, so first what will you do, we have to find the factor, but there is also factor, this one is also factor, but a square minus b square, you know the formula of a square minus b square, which one is a plus b into a minus b, right? So just we have to find the factor, so it will be a plus b into a minus b. Then this one is given a into a minus b, and this one is also given a into a plus b. Okay students, now we have to find which one is denominator of first fraction, second fraction and third fraction. Just consider this one is the first expression, second expression, third expression. So you know in LCM chapter, that means in the previous chapter you have learned how to find the LCM. So this one just consider first expression, second expression, third expression and find the LCM. Students, so now check here in first expression a plus b one time, a plus b is also here one time, but in second expression there is no a plus b, but which one is the more time, that one you have to take, right? So a plus b you can take. Now check a minus b how many time, a minus b is one time, here is also one time, but there is no a minus b, but in all expression only one time is more, that one we have to take. So a minus b, so a only single a is here in second expression and in third expression, right? So that means that one is also one time, so we can write, just you will take a, okay, one time. This one is the LCM. So student, now what will you do? Just we have to divide by the denominator of this LCM. After getting the quotient, okay, that one by that one we have to multiply by the numerator. So now a plus b and a minus b, if I divide a plus b, a minus b, what will be? That means now just I will show one. So this one is the LCM, a into a plus b and a minus b, then divided by a plus b and a minus b. Student, this one is the denominator, right? So this denominator and this denominator are same, just we can cut. These are the factor like this. Suppose 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So if these are the same, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, these are the same, that means 4 by 4. If I cut it will be 1, so that means 1. So a 1 are a. So this quotient, that means this answer is here only a. So by this a just we multiply by 3, so it will be 3a. Okay, so same way just you have to divide. Okay, we have to divide of this by this one. So this denominator a into a minus b. So a into a minus b by this one, if we divide, then we will get the result of a plus b. So students, so this a plus b you have to multiply it by 5, so it will be 5 into a plus b. Okay, the same way just we have to divide of a of this one, so by a into a plus b. So a into a plus b, if we divide, okay, so we'll get a minus b. So by 7 you have to multiply the numerator, 7a minus b. Okay students, just write again this one, a into a plus b into a minus b. So now it will be 3a plus 5a, just multiply 5. This one is the opening bracket, this one is closing bracket. Opening to closing, this 5 is multiplied with a and a plus b. So 5a plus 5b plus same way the 7a minus 7b. Students, so now in which one is the LCM? So students, a plus b into a minus b. Now we can write a square minus b square, because a plus b into a minus b we know a square minus b square. Okay, now here, now how check how many a are there here? 7a, 7, 5, 12, 12 and 3, 12 and 3, 15a, right? 15a. So then 7, 5, yes. So there is 7b is minus, 5b is plus. So we have to subtract. We know when you get one sign is minus, so you have to subtract, okay, between these two. So 7b plus 5b, it will be minus 2b. Okay student, this one is the answer. That is this, when you if you add this one, then you will get this one is answer. Clear? Now so okay, now C number. So C number here given, suppose this 3 fraction here given. So express into the fraction with common denominator. So first, if you want to find the common denominator, first you have to find the LCM of the denominators. So here given denominators a square minus b square, a into a minus b and a into a plus b. So now first we have to find the LCM. So before finding the LCM, that means we have to find the factor. Okay, now so this one, the first denominator of first fraction we can write. So solution just we can write. So denominator of first fraction. Which one is given? A square minus b square. We can write here a plus b into a minus b, right? So denominator of second fraction, same way, just you have to write, because this one is given, okay, a into a minus b. Okay, denominator of third fraction, just you can write, okay, which one is a plus b. Okay, LCM already we have solved in b number, right? So now just find the LCM of denominators of the fraction, okay students, already you have find, right? A into a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this one is the LCM. So now what will we do first? So this LCM, so we have to divide by the denominator of the first fraction, right? So now divide. So first you have to write, let us express the fraction with common denominator, with common or equal denominator, common denominator. Okay students, now what will you do? So just we will write the LCM. So a into a plus b into a minus b. Okay, divide by this one. So can you divide by this one, a square minus b square? So it's easy to divide by this factor. So a plus b into a minus b. Just that's right, a plus b into a minus b. If we divide by this one, a plus b, a minus b, so result will be a. So by this a, just we have to write, we have to multiply of the fraction. So 3 by this one. So we can write here 3. And which one is this? A square minus b square. Instead of this one, we can write here a plus b into a minus b. Students, so here is the quotient part is a here, right? So by this a, we have to multiply in numerator and denominator. So we can write here. Okay, so this one we can write here is a. That means in numerator and denominator you have to multiply by a. I have multiplied here. This one I have multiplied here. This one is the LCM. Okay, now the second one. Again you have to write here the LCM. So a into a plus b into a minus b. So again we have to divide by the denominator of second fraction, a into a plus b. Sorry, a minus b. Yes, a minus b. What will be the answer here? A plus b, right? A plus b. This one. Suppose a, we can cut a minus b, a plus b is the answer. So just keep the semicolon here, then it will be better for understanding. So now by this a plus b you have to multiply both 5 into a plus b, and we have to write the LCM here, a plus b into a minus b. Now check here, a into a minus b, I have multiplied by a plus b in both the numerator and denominator. Okay, third fraction. Again we have to multiply the LCM, sorry, write the LCM and divide it by the third fraction denominator. So which one is given? A into a plus b. And right, it will be, answer will be a minus b, right? A into a plus b, you can cut here, a minus b. So now again write third fraction, which one is 7 by a into a plus b. Now multiplied by a minus b in numerator and denominator. So a minus b. Students, so instead of a plus b, a minus b, you can write also a square minus b square. Okay, no problem. So required fraction we can write here. The required fraction will be, it will be, which one already we have written, that one. Okay, 3a by a into a plus b, a minus b. Second one, 5 into a plus b by a into a plus b into a minus b. And third one we can write 7 by a minus b, 7 into a minus b, then a into a plus b into a minus b. This one is the required fraction. This one is the required common denominator, students. Have you understood? I hope you understood this one. Okay, students, now we will solve extra CQ 6. And which one is given? A by 2 by a minus 2 and 5 into a minus 2 by a square plus 3a minus 10 are two algebraic fraction here. So this fraction first a number express the second fraction in the lowest form or lowest term, and b number at 5 by a plus 2 after subtracting the first fraction from the second fraction, then express into the fraction with common denominator like extra is equal to 5, right? So now first one we have to write. So a number, we can write solution. So students, here given the second fraction, which one is second fraction is this one. So 5 into a minus 2 by a square plus 3a minus 10. Okay, so if you want to find the make it lowest form, if you want to make lowest form, so first you have to find the factor of this algebraic expression, students. So how to find this one? Already you have learned in previous class, right? So a square plus 5a minus 2a minus 10, because 5 to, if I subtract 5 minus 2 it will be 3a and 5 2 are 10, right? So now 5 into a minus 2, okay, then a just we will take common this one, make it group here. So a common, a plus 5, then minus 2 common, a plus 5. Okay, so just right here a plus 5, just we will take common a plus 5. So remaining part if I take a plus 5, then it will be a minus 2. So it will be a minus 2, and which one is given? A minus 2 here given. So a minus 2 we can cut here. So answer will be 5 by a plus 5. This one is the lowest term. Students, have you understood a number? I hope you understood this one. Okay, now b number. B number solution here given second fraction. So first you can write here second fraction, which one? 5 into a minus 2 by a square plus 3a minus 10, then minus 2 by a minus 2, then you have to add here given 5 by a plus 5. Students, after this one we have first already from b we can write here this one, the factor. First we have to find the factor if you want to find the simplify, right? So this one already you got a plus 5 and a minus 2, right? From b you get this one 2 by a minus 2 and plus 5 by a plus 5. Okay, so this factorization already you have learned, right? So now we have to find the what? We have to find the LCM. So now the same way you have to find the LCM. So a plus 5 only one time, so we can write here one time. A minus 2 is one time, here is also one time, so it will be only a minus 2. This is the LCM. So now what will you do? Just divide by the denominator of this first fraction, so it will be one answer. So by 1 we have to multiply this one, so we will get this one 5. We can multiply also 5a minus 5 to 10. Student, then a minus 2 by this one we have to divide, so a minus 2 we can cut, so remaining part is a plus 5. So now multiply by 2 and a plus 5, just right here a plus 5. Student, the same way we have to divide of a plus 5. Okay, we have to divide by a plus 5 of this LCM, so a plus 5 we can cut, so a minus 2 is the remaining part, so just multiplied by a minus 2. Okay, now already we got this one LCM, we can write a plus 5 and a minus 2. Okay, so now 5a, just we will write here 5a minus 10 here, so minus 2a here, minus plus makes minus, right? Okay, so 5 to 10 also this one. Okay, again 5a and plus minus makes minus, that one 5 to 10. Wow, all are 10. Okay, so now students we can write a plus 5, a minus 2, also a plus 5 or a minus 2. Then we can write here how many a are there here, 5a, this one is 5a and this one is 2a. So 5 plus 5 it will be 10a, right? Because both are plus here. So this 2a is a minus, so 10a minus 2a it will be 8a. Minus, this one is minus 10, this one is minus 10, this one is minus 10. What will be? Minus, minus, all are minus here, plus. So all are negative. So we have to add all. But it will be 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10, it will be 30, but sign will be minus here. Okay, this one is the simplification. This one is the answer of B number. Students, have you understood this one? I hope you understood, right? Okay, so now we'll solve C number. So here we will solve this one solution, C number. So here this one is the denominator, this one denominator. So denominator of first fraction, here we can write denominator of first fraction, which one is a minus 2, and denominator of second fraction, okay, a square plus 3a minus 10. So students, already you have got this factorization, right? Factor of this expression. So a square plus 5a minus 2a minus 10. So just take common a plus 5 and minus 2 common, a plus 5. So it will be a plus 5 into a minus 2. Okay, now what will you do? First we have to find the LCM of this. Okay, so now LCM, it will be a plus 5 and a minus 2, right? LCM will be a plus 5 and a minus 2. Now here given express into the fraction with common denominator. Already you have solved in extra CQ 5. So let us express the fraction with common denominator or with equal denominator, right? Equal denominator. Okay, so now let us express the fraction with equal denominator. So this one LCM, that means this LCM will be same here in both fraction. So now what will you do? First you have to write the LCM, then divide by the first fraction of denominator, whatever will get the quotient, then multiply by the numerator and denominator. So now write the LCM, a plus 5 into a minus 2. So divided by the first fraction of denominator is a minus 2. So a minus 2. So a minus 2 you can cut here. So a plus 5. So by this a plus 5 we have to multiply in both, right? So 2 by a minus 2, the first fraction here. So now multiply by a plus 5 into a plus 5. Okay, this one. The second one is the same way, the a plus 5 into a minus 2 divided by the denominator of this one. This one is denominator, but we have to, it's easy to divide by, if I get this factor, by this factor we have to divide. So a plus 5 and a minus 2. If I divide, it will be 1, right? Because both are same here. So now, so what will you do? Now 5 into a minus 2 and here a plus 5 into a minus 2. So if I multiply by 1, then you will get this one, right? You can multiply by 1, then you will get this one. So it's unchanged if I multiply by 1. So this one is the equal denominator. So we can write here required fraction here. Required fraction. So 2 into a plus 5 by a minus 2 and a plus 5 and 5 into a minus 2 by a plus 5 and a minus 2. Students, this one is the same denominator, this one is the equal denominator here. Okay, instead of this one we can write also a square plus 3a minus 10a also. Okay, this one is the answer of C number. Students, have you understood this one? I hope you understood this. Okay, now we'll solve number as MCQ 10 MCQ. So from 21 to 30 now we have to solve the MCQ. Now you can see the screen, the MCQ, which is the first one, 21 number, which is the lowest form of x square plus 3x by x plus 3. So students, so now you can write here x square plus 3x by x plus 3. It's just we have to take common in both term here. X is common here, so we can take x, then it will be x plus 3 and x plus 3 in the denominator. So we can cut here, so answer will be x. So in one number we can tell here in C number, right? This one is C number, which one is the x. Now 22 we will check here. Now 22 number, which one is given this expression and what will be the simplification? That means all are add here. Now what will be? Now just add this one, 22 number x minus y by xy plus y minus z or z yz, okay, plus z or z plus x by zx or gx. Okay students, now we have to find the first LCM the same way. Okay, already you have solved in extra 5 and CQ. Okay, now what will you do? First you have to find the LCM of x, y, yz and zx. It will be x, y, z. Okay, now divide by xy and xy. Xy cut, remaining part is z. So by this z we have to multiply this one. So it will be xz minus, okay, yz. Okay, then again divide by yz of this one, yz. So remaining part is x. That means this one is the quotient here. So xy minus xz. Now divide by zx, z and x. So remaining y. So by y we have to multiply this one. So yz we will write first. Yz. Okay, students. Then xy. Okay, students, you can tell, sir, if I write zy, what will you do? You can write, no problem, but according to ABCD letter, we can write. So before z, we can write y, then it will better. Arranging system will be better. Then you will understand which one is same here. Okay, students, now check here. xz is minus here, xz is plus. Yz is minus, yz is plus here. We can subtract, then it will be 0. Actually, it's not right to cut. But if you cut, then you will understand better way. That's why I am cut. Okay, so xy and xy, both one is a plus, so you can write 2xy divided by xyz. Again, xy and xy are same here. So 2 by z, right? This one is the answer. Now we will get in 2 number, which one is the D answer. So 2 by z. Okay, now we will check 23 number, students. Now you have understood this one, right? Like this way, just you have to solve, like you have to simplify. Now 3 number, which is the lowest form. So if you want to find the lowest form, so first we have to do, what will you do? First you have to find the factor of this expression, and x square minus 9 here given. So 3 3 are 9, so x square plus 3x plus 3x. 3 3 if you add, then you will get 6x, and 3 3 if you multiply, then you will get 9. So it will be a square minus b square. This is the formula, b square minus b square, right? So it just take common x, then you will get 3 plus 3 you can take common, so x plus 3. So now it will be a plus b into a minus b. This is the a square minus b square formula, right? This one. So x plus 3, both are same here, x plus 3, and here x plus 3 and into x minus 3. So which were same? These are the same term, right? X plus 3, this is x plus 3, x plus the same. So x plus 3 and x minus 3 is the answer. So students, we can get here in 23 number, which one is the C number answer? X plus 3 by x minus 3. Now 24 number, students. Now have you understood this one? Okay. Now 24 number, this one is also simplification. So this one is a BC plus C by AB plus B by AC. So what will be the, if I add all, what will be? So first we have to find the LCM of this one, ABC, ABB, AC. So it will be A, now take how many times? Only one times A. B is one time and more, one time, right? So B and C also, right? ABC. So now divide by BC of this LCM. So BC, if I divide, then remaining is A only. So quotient is A. So quotient and numerator we have to multiply, right? So A and A, it will be A square. The same way, just divide by AB, then it will be C square. Plus divide by AC, then it will be B square, right? B into B square. So answer will be A square plus B square plus C square by C. Then 24 number A, you can write A square plus B square plus C square by ABC. Okay, students, have you understood how you simplify this one like this way? Just we have to find the LCM. So here LCM is most important. Okay, if you don't know how to find the LCM, please ask your subject teacher in Zoom class. Okay, now 25 number. So here given A by B and B by 2 are two fraction, right? This two fraction of expression we can write also sum. So sum here given, and variance difference here given also. LCM of denominator also given. So now we will check first, actually it is sum is correct or not. We will check A by B, B by A. So first what will you do? First we have to find the LCM of AB. So LCM will be AB. So divide by B of this LCM, the remaining, that means quotient is A. So A into multiply A square. So it will be divided by A of this. So answer will be, or quotient will be B. So B into B square. So that means here given sum is correct. Yes, sum is correct. Okay. If I subtract here, this one will be changed, right? This one, if I subtract, then it will be. So here given -1. So 2 long is not correct. LCM of denominator AB. Yes, LCM of denominator is AB. So we can write here 1 and 3 is correct. So we can see here in B number is correct because this one is 1 and 3, right? Now we solve 26 number, students. 26 number. So what will be? Now read the question first. Y by 2. Okay, I'm writing here y by y plus 1 minus y by 1 minus y. Students, 1 minus y, 1 plus y are the same. So we can take here LCM 1 plus y and 1 minus y. If I take LCM this one, so divide by y plus 1, okay, or 1 plus y, these are the same. So remaining part is 1 minus y. So y into 1 minus y. Minus, then divide by this one, okay, of this LCM. So 1 minus y, 1 minus y we can remove, and what by this numerator we have to multiply by this one. So y into 1 plus y. Okay, so y minus y square minus y minus plus minus makes minus, so it will be y square. Okay, so we can write here 1a plus b into a minus b, that means a square minus b square. Okay, students, here y is plus, this y is minus, so we can cut this one. So y square, both are minus y square, so minus y square minus y square, we can write minus 2y square by 1 minus a square. Okay, 1 square means 1, we can write here. So which one is the answer? 26 number. Okay, we can get D number at D number. So minus 2y square by 1 minus y square, this is the answer. Okay, so now 27 number. 27 number we can get here. Which is the lowest from? Oh my god. So just we have to find the factor, right? 6x plus 5, right? Now x square plus 4x minus 45. Students, this 5, if you find the factor 1 into 5, another way you can't fall, right? 45, 1 into 45, then 5 9 are 45, 5 9 are 45, then 3 15 are 45. Okay, in this way just we can break up, right, of 45. You can find the factor. Okay, this one. So now check here, if I add or subtract, then you will get 4x. We need 4x here. Okay, but it's not possible, but it is possible. And this one, okay, in the above one. First one, now check x square minus 5x minus x plus 5. Now this one we can write x square plus 9x minus 5x. Okay, 9 minus 5, it will be 4, then minus 45. So student, if I take common x, so it will be minus 5 minus 1 common x minus 5. The same, just we will take common x plus 9 minus 5 common x plus 9. Students, already you have learned how to find the factor. Okay, that's why just I am showing. Okay, x plus 9 and x minus 5. So students, x minus 5 and x minus 5 are same here. So x minus 1 and x plus 9. So which one we will get here? 27. So 27 we get in A number, right? So x minus 1 by x plus 9. This is the answer. Okay, students, I hope you understood. Now 28 number now. 28 number here given how much would be the result if this is subtracted from this one. Okay, this one is also same, just simplify, right? Subtracted from this one. So first we have to write this one from, because from, and minus y by x minus y. Students, both are same, so LCM will be x minus y. Okay, if this one is same, just divide by this one, then you will get quotient is 1. So 1 multiplied by x, the same. Okay, divide by x minus y, so you will get 1. So 1 minus y, it will be 1. So just same, so it will be 1. So 28 we can write here. Which one is 1? A number is 1. Okay, 29. Okay, students, so which one of the following is the value of 4 by b? Okay, now we have to simplify again. Okay, now here we can write here 4 by b plus 3 by b minus 5 by b. Okay, so these are the same here, students, right? So LCM will be b here. So 4 plus 3 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 by b, it will be 2 by b. Yes, this one is easy. So 29 you can write D number, which one is 2 by B. Okay, 1 is only 30 number. Which one of the following is the equivalent fraction, students? Equivalent fraction. Okay, how to find the equivalent fraction? Can you check the first one? Okay, A by C, AC by BC. So can you make it lowest from? If I make it lowest from, then it will get A by B. So it is not correct, right? Because here given C by B. So now MC by second one and B. Which one is B? Can you make it lowest from? No. So it is not also correct. So now we can check C number. This one is B, this one is A, right? So here given ACB by AB square, AB square. So students, can I cut here? So AA we can cut and BB can be, we can write here C by B. Yes, in question here given C by B. So this one is the equivalent fraction, C number. ACB by AB square. Students, today's lecture is exercise 5 and 6 and 10 MCQ. I hope you understood this one, okay? Because you are attentive in this class. I hope. Okay, now today is time to give the SW.